All right, Sedge. So quick question. Finding center. I see you've already found it here. I struggle with this at home. What's the best way to do it?
Okay, I'm going to show you two different ways.
Okay.
Recently, I was finding center on this tote plane handle, and I needed exactly dead center.
Okay.
Okay, now, in the past, I've always reached for something like this. This is a center scribe. This is homemade. A friend of mine, Bernhardt, made this for me. Okay, if I take it, and because there's gears in here, I think you can see those gears right there. When I bring it in, it's self-centering. Okay, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to lock it in just like this. Then I'm going to drop my pencil in, give it a little point, and lock it in. And you'll see how those sides hold on here. It gives me exact center. Okay, and then I'll come over here and do it again, and you'll see that.
Oh wow.
Okay, so that's one way if you have something like this. I think Bridge City Toolworks makes those. Bernhardt made that for me. Another way to do it, and this is one I recently learned to get this dead on for this tote right here, or plane handle. Okay. I'm going to zero out. You have one, right?
Yep.
Digital vernier caliper. I'm going to take it and get a quick measurement here. Okay, and this is 25.4. So what's half of 25.4?
12.7.
Okay, so I can't take credit for this because I saw this, someone do this on a video for finding center. And I was blown away because sometimes I need that exact center.
Sure.
Okay, and you said 12 point what?
7.
7. Okay, there it is. Okay, and you lock it in. And if you feel there's a groove in here, that's where I can put my brad point on my drill press to drill out that hole. So what I did to create that is I took that, it's at 12.7, right? I took my marking gauge, and that's 12.7. So I put it in there, and I brought my marking gauge. Let me loosen that up a little. Right in here like this. Loosen it up some more. Okay, and bring it right on in and dial it in just like that. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm going to take it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock that in. I'm going to verify again. It's exactly where I want it. Now, what I'll do, instead of doing the whole thing, I'll take it over here, and I'll do a little scribe here, and then I'll flip it around from this face, and you're going to see how it's the exact center. So I'm just going to take that now, and I'm just going to drag it all the way around here because I'm going to make a few blanks, just taking my time, letting that knife cut right in there, okay, and then flip it around and come from the other side. And there is exact center of that board.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So there's another great way of finding center. So as we always say,
be positive
and stay sharp.